All right, so let me ask you a question. Are you tired of chasing clients every single month only to start over again from zero? I know what that is. Well, today I'm going to show you three different offers that actually bring in recurring income. And guess what? You can use high level to get all of them set up. No coding needed, no paid ads, no agency overheads. Literally, your laptop, some Wi Fi, a super simple system that solves real business problems. And what they do to keep clients paying month after month after month after month. So, in today's video, here's what we're covering. One, the AI voice agent to answer phone calls 24/7. They don't get sick. They work 24/7. AI chatbots to automate DM and booking, and reputation management to flood Google with 5-star reviews. All right, let's get the ball rolling. So, first up is the AI voice agent. So, if you ever call like a plumber, a pest control company, a HVAC company, even an electrician, and you got a voicemail, you already know how painful that is because they're losing business and don't even realize it. There's a study that shows, right, that 22 to 60% businesses calls go unanswered. That's a lot of money that they're missing out because every missed call is a potential opportunity, right? So imagine you're giving a business a 24/7 employee that answer the phone instantly, books appointment, and even follows up by text without ever going to sleep, get sick, or need to take a vacation. Well, that's exactly what the AI voice agent does inside the high level platform. You can show the demo right phone, watch the AI answer the calls, book the job, and text a confirmation. Clients see that and they're like, wow. We have it in our office. I don't know where well, I'm using my phone, so I can't show you. But why this work? Because you're solving a real problem. They already have missed calls. It runs 24/7, no weekends, no holidays, no vacations. It saves them thousands and thousands of dollars compared to hiring another receptionist who only works for a certain amount of hours during the day. How about the after hours? How about at night? How about the weekend? And guess what? You can charge between $300 to $1,000 a month. Setup only takes about an hour or two. Once they're set it up, they'll never turn it off because every single missed call is money that goes out the window. All right. Now that we covered that, let's talk about what's happening in the inbox. So this is another piece of high level that a lot of people don't talk about, right? Because you have the AI voice agent, that's your receptionist. Then you have the AI chatbot, that's your front desk for every DM, text, and comment. Think about your local spa salon, your barber shop, your beauty shop, your nail salon. Their inbox get flooded, right? Hey, what's the price for colors of this? Hey, what's the price for this? Do you have any appointments Friday? Do you have appointments on Thursday? Right? They're, it's hard to keep up. So they're losing money every minute they don't reply. And imagine this. Someone comments on their Instagram post. The bot instantly DMs that person, sends a price list, offer a booking link, answer basic FAQs. That's it. No human needed. And that's saving them a lot of time so they're able to get a lot done. The chatbot can work across Facebook, Instagram, text, WhatsApp, and it never sleeps. So it's 24/7. And the beauty about that, it can even request reviews automatically after the appointments. So now they can build up their Google reviews. So you're doubling your impact with one automation system. That's why it's so easy to sell. So we talked about the voice agent, we talked about the chatbot. Now here's how you frame it so that clients will want to buy it from you, right? Right. So your DMs or your new front desk, the bot replies instantly, books clients and follow-ups while you work. Simple. Okay. And if you're wondering, okay, I want to sell this, what does that look like? Well, pricing can be as low as $97 a month, to as high as $497 a month. Imagine you have a nail salon with 5 locations, right? For booking, reviews, and upsells. And once it's running, it's almost zero maintenance. Check results once a month, collect payment. Right? That's what we call set it and forget it. And it can be super recurring revenue in your business. So if you have an agency and you're servicing the beauty industry, this is perfect. Now, there's one last one that might be the most underrated to me, but I think it's huge because let's be honest, most people won't buy from a business with bad reviews, right? We all check those Google reviews, we check the Yelp reviews before we even go into that restaurant. So that's why reputation management is gold, right? What people see online about you tells them everything. So inside High Level, you can automate the entire review process. And after a customer, you service them, they get a text, an email asking for feedback. If they're happy, it send them right to the Google review so they can drop you a 5-star review. If they're not, it catches that feedback privately so the business can fix it before it goes public, right? So you can make it right for that person. That single system not only builds trust, it improves ranking, it helps businesses stand out online. And guess what? You can charge anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per month, depending on what size of the clients, how many locations they have, you know, what else is needed to make it work, right? And the reason that this offer sticks because when you turn it off, there are no reviews stop. When review stops, lead stops, business is not coming in the door like it should. So, for example, let's take a small, dental practice, right? They're doing between a 3.9 to a 4.6 stars in under 90 days. They didn't change their ads or website. They just get more reviews and it's being done automatically. So that saved them a lot of time. And that's the kind of real measurable impact that can happen from a 3.9 star to a 4.6 star review. That's insane. So let's do a quick recap. Make sure you got everything right. So, three different high level money makers that can start making you money this week. First one, you can sell the AI voice agent. They answer every call, it's 24/7, they don't go to sleep. Second, you can do the AI chatbot. They automate DMs, bookkeeping, reviews. The third one is the reputation management. Help build trust, boost ranking automatically. You don't need like 20 different offers. Pick one of these, zoom in. I would highly recommend the beauty industry, nail salon, barbershop, beauty salon. Pick your lane, package it, and let High Level do the heavy lifting. Now, here's what to do next. Right? If you're serious about doing this, get your free 30-day High Level trial, right? That's double the 14-day trial. The link is in the below. Just click on it and get set up. And then after that, if you don't know what to do, we have a team of virtual assistant in our company that can set this whole thing up for you, manage it for you, right? So anytime you get a new client with a back end office, getting things set up. We show you exactly what to automate, how to set it up inside your account, and even help you customize the workflow. So if you're serious about creating systems that sells themselves, click the link below to get your free trial and also book your strategy session with our team. We can't wait to help you get to the next level because guess what? That recurrent revenue looks good. And we do it ourselves. So that's what I'm telling you to do it as well. Can't wait to see you then. Cheers.